Hello and a very good evening, friends. What an exciting March we've had with our business demonstrating a very strong growth trajectory. To further help you fuel this growth, tomorrow we'll be launching an innovative, revolutionary product that helps support your immunity in the long run. So, are you ready to find out what it is? Yes, here's presenting Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus. It provides 8 hours of steady release of vitamin C from one of the richest sources of nature, formulated with the extended release technology for the first time in India for your all-day immunity support. With the current situation that we all have been living in for the past 1 year, it has truly encouraged us here at Amway Nutralite to create products that can help build immunity all day long. Like in February, we launched Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite that is known to support immunity and rejuvenate the body with its regular use. And with that launch, we received such an overwhelming response from you, wherein sadly we briefly went TNA on the same, but gladly it's now back on the shelves. We've had tremendous success with probably the tastiest Chyawanprash in the market, which has been specifically crafted with 16 organic ingredients, and would really like to thank each one of you for making it the success that it has become in such a short time. Now, alongside Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite, we will be having another unparalleled product, like I said, that is meant for supporting your immunity all day long. Yes, our very own Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus. This product is meant for adults who have a weakened immunity and hence are more susceptible to infections, and thus to support body's natural defense mechanism, supplementation with vitamin C is critical. Now you must be wondering that we already have Nutralite Natural C in our portfolio, so why Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus? Well friends, we are launching this product with an increased quantity of vitamin C going inside each tablet. Nutralite Natural C had 40 mg of vitamin C, whereas our new Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus will have 400 mg of vitamin C in each tablet. Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus contains super concentration of the goodness of plant-based source, that is acerola cherries, which are one of nature's most concentrated sources of vitamin C. And the good news is that they are grown and harvested in our own certified organic farms in Brazil. Also, going forward, we'll be discontinuing our Nutralite Natural C to make way for this incredible product. So without further ado, let's start the session and welcome our latest offering this evening.
Good evening, friends. A very warm welcome to all who have joined us virtually on this exciting day. We are all very excited to be launching our very own Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus, a one-of-a-kind product which offers some unique benefits which will help you support your immunity in the long run. As Ajay rightly mentioned, that immunity support is the need of the hour, and we really explored and tried to figure out what is the right product that we can launch that will work and benefit those who have a weakened immunity. After doing an exhaustive research, we found a product under the global portfolio where vitamin C content was not only high, but it had the benefit of extended release mechanism. We also saw that the product is a huge success globally with great reviews. Seeing that, we worked very closely with our innovation and science team to bring you all a great and efficacious product right here in India that gives us the benefit of all-day immunity support. Now if we look at India's adult vitamin C market in 2020, it was around 132 crores. And what's great to note is that Nutralite has been the #1 player in vitamin C market, contributing to almost 48% of its share. So, with the launch of Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus, we expect to contribute to this momentum and expect that you all are able to gain new customers and upgrade existing Natural C customers with higher dosage of vitamin C and leverage the strong story of extended release mechanism. We have seen in the last year that there are many new entrants in this space post the pandemic. Clearly, this is a huge opportunity to get the first mover advantage in the category. Now, over to you, Tushi, who will take us through the benefits and its usage in a greater detail.
Friends, we at Nutralite always strive to give you quality products, and our endeavor has always been to create unique selling proposition for each of you. So with immunity being the most searched and trending word of 2020, we could not think of a better way to launch a product that targets and is intended for adults who have a weakened immunity. Now, what happens when one has a weakened immunity? Firstly, with weakened immunity, you are more susceptible to cold, cough, flu, and infections. Secondly, with weakened immunity, you may be prone to higher incidence of upper respiratory discomfort. Thirdly, it may also lead to poor functioning of the gut, which may result in diarrhea and stomach upset. Lastly, with weakened immunity, need for certain nutrients also increases. For example, vitamin C, D, zinc, and more. If you feel you may have weakened immunity, then you may need to supplement your regular diet with an adequate dosage of vitamin C. So why is vitamin C important for you? Vitamin C is a water-soluble essential micronutrient which is not produced in the body, hence needs to be replenished regularly. Poor nutrition, smoking, excessive exposure to air pollutants, stress, both physical and mental, can induce oxidative stress and weaken the immune system, thereby decreasing the vitamin C levels in the body. People suffering from weakened immunity are more susceptible to infections. Thus, to support body's natural defense mechanism, supplementation with vitamin C is required. Another question you may ask me: what are the benefits of taking adequate amount of vitamin C? Firstly, vitamin C strengthens immunity and helps reduce stress-related oxidants. Secondly, vitamin C works as a potent antioxidant to help prevent cell damage from free radicals. Thirdly, vitamin C speeds up the recovery process, shortens the duration of infection, as well as frequency of cold, cough, and flu by improving the functioning of the immune system. Lastly, vitamin C helps decrease the duration of cold and severity of symptoms by an average of 8% in adults.
So, what makes Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus an everyday essential? Number one, for adults with weakened immunity, it provides them with all-day immunity support and improved utilization of vitamin C. Number two, it is formulated with an extended release mechanism. Number three, it contains plant-based sources like acerola cherries, which is one of the nature's most concentrated forms of vitamin C, grown in our own organic farms in Brazil. Number four, for adults with weakened immunity, one tablet taken regularly may fulfill the requirement of vitamin C along with meals or regular diet. And finally, a daily serving of 1 Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus tablet provides vitamin C equivalent to 9 oranges or 8 lemons.
This is Jerry. Jerry has a weak immune system. He catches cold all the time. That's because he may not be having adequate vitamin C in his diet. Don't be like Jerry, who has a weakened immunity. Add Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus to your diet every day. Made with acerola cherries, one of nature's most concentrated sources of vitamin C, cultivated in our certified organic farm in Brazil, provides 8 hours of slow, steady release of vitamin C, formulated with extended release technology for all-day immunity support.
We should also try and understand what is extended release mechanism. An extended release tablet comes in an effective dosage and continually releases a fixed amount of nutrient throughout the active part of the day, which may lead to better access to vitamin C. Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus extended release tablet has been designed to release gradually over a period of 8 hours post-consumption, which may help in optimal and steady absorption for supporting weakened immunity.
Friends, I know you all must be curious to know what makes Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus better than Natural C. Well, as we mentioned before, Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus has 10 times more vitamin C, that is 400 mg, than Natural C, which is 40 mg. Acerola cherry concentrate is 6 times higher than what is there in Natural C. The product comes in an extended release mechanism versus an instant release mechanism in Natural C. Sign off, I would like to share the pricing details of our Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus. Are there any guesses? Well, globally, this product comes rupees 1800 for 60 tablets, and hence we bring to you a product with super compelling story along with a great price. The product will be available at an MRP of rupees 1200 for 60 tablets. Its other pricing details are mentioned on the frame as well. We would also like to mention that we will be connecting with you all very soon, and that too virtually through our regional Zoom sessions, where we will take you through the in-depth information and science behind vitamin C. Not just that, we will provide you with digital leaflets and platform-first videos on weakened immunity, need for vitamin C and its benefits. So stay tuned, as many more exciting tools will be coming your way very soon. Now here is the part of the session you all have been waiting for. Let's welcome Dr. Priyanka Rohatgi, who will tell us more about weakened immunity and vitamin C.
Hi. So today we are talking about one of the really hot topics, and that is about immunity. Immunity is a word that we have been hearing in for so many days now. But you would be wondering as to why different people have different immunity levels. So today we are talking about how your immunity can be boosted by a nice punch of nutrition and how weakened immunity can be addressed. So let me elaborate a little bit about weakened immunity. As you know, our immunity involves a lot of processes, metabolites, a lot of nutrients which help us fight any infection. Now that infection can be a virus, it can be any forms of bacteria, it can be any residual part of an infection. So we have to be very careful that we are in the best state of health and our immunity is not weakened, so that we can fight this infection in a much better fashion. Now, to tell you more about weakened immunity immunity is a state of health which has to be perennial. It is not like that today I pop in tablets or some good protein supplement and tomorrow I'm in the best of my health. No, it's an age-long process, and slowly, gradually, over a period of time, we build up our immunity. There are lots of factors involved in that. One most important being nutrition. What really happens when our immunity is weakened? Weakened immunity means we are taking the nutrients but not in the optimal amount, which in medical terms is called the recommended dietary allowance. So when we continuously consume suboptimal amount of nutrients, what basically happens is our immunity gets slightly weakened. We do not realize it on a day-to-day basis because we do not know, we do not come across infections every day, and our body tries to fight it out. But when you are having a weakened immunity and a bad infection like influenza comes and attacks our body, the immunity is in the worst of health to attempt to it, and your body's bouncing back capacity to that infection is what is compromised. So here today we are talking about how to address this weakened immunity, identify it and build up on that so that lifelong this immunity becomes a part and parcel of our life. So today we are talking about punch of health, boosting our immunity. And this is most relevant in these times of the pandemic because everybody in the COVID times, we've been treating almost thousands of patients every month in our hospital. And we see each one behaves differently to the same set of medications. Having understood our weakened immunity, let's now understand how we could make our immunity to the best level. Now, when we are following a good healthy lifestyle, whereby we are exercising well, we are in the right frame of the weight that our body can hold, we are eating nice healthy meals and ensuring that the recommended dietary allowances of all the nutrients are met up to the optimum level or the required levels that are needed for a day's diet. Sometimes it becomes challenging because there are quite a few nutrients. You have macronutrients, you have micronutrients. Macronutrients, especially the carbohydrate and fat, none of the Indians are deficient. But when it comes to proteins, there is some amount of deficiency. So we Indians do not have adequate amount of proteins. We would address that a little later. We would like to come to the micronutrients, in which you have vitamins and minerals, and among the minerals you have very trace quantities of these minerals which are needed, and quite a few minerals work as immunity boosters in your body. So we are going to further enhance their intake in the diet, especially in this COVID period, to build up our immunity. Among the vitamins you have water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins. The water soluble vitamins do a magical role, and today we are going to talk about the power pill of vitamin C. Why do we call it as the power nutrient vitamin C? Because though it's water soluble, but it does magical roles in our body. Number one, it prevents aging. So aging happens due to the formation of free radicals. A lot of oxidation happens in our body due to the pollution, due to the exposure, due to the wrong food that we eat, due to lack of sleep, not taking enough water. So there is rapid increase in free radical formation. These free radicals are basically responsible for all non-communicable diseases like weight gain. It could be high blood pressure, it could be diabetes, it could be certain forms of cancer. So if we arrest the free radicals right at the base of their formation, we can really delay down a lot of these processes in our body. So free radical oxidation can be easily arrested by a good intake of vitamin C. We think that if we eat a lot of fruits and vegetables or we drink fruit juices, we get all these nutrients. But unfortunately, this doesn't happen like that. When we take these fruits and vegetables, We have to look at their storage conditions, the humidity around, and with summers catching up, we really don't know what time were they plucked from the plant, were they ripened, were they artificially ripened, how they were stored in the shops, how did we store later, did we keep them in the refrigerator for very long, and all this oxidizes and reduces the vitamin C content. So if we think that I am taking one full glass of pomegranate juice or pineapple juice or lemon juice or orange juice, I may actually on paper be 100% of my RDA, but I'm not really getting maximum of it because there are lots of these storage losses, oxidation losses, humidity based losses. So it's very difficult to say that yes, food is 100% covering up my requirements of vitamin C. What happens if we don't take adequate vitamin C? If we continuously ignore the intake of vitamin C, this vitamin C gets attached to the white blood cells. We all know that white blood cells are basically the fighter cells of our body. They do three important functions. Now they fight all the infection. At the same time, you have something called interferon, which is formed from them, which will actually ingest the infected cells. So at the same time, when you are killing the bodies, there is one important element which is attached to vitamin C, which is eating away all these infected cells. And third most important is your T cells, which are strengthened. So the entire soldier or the defense mechanism is dependent on vitamin C. If we do not take vitamin C due to various reasons, maybe I'm calculating wrong, I'm consuming a glass of juice but I'm not getting the adequate amount, or I have acidity issues, so I do not really like to take adequate amount of vitamin C and I may just squeeze half a lemon into my dal, assuming that I'm getting my vitamin C, but that's not sufficient. So this vitamin C, which is attached to the WBC, slowly gets depleted. When we say depleted, the levels are coming below optimal requirement. When this happens, when these WBC cells are trying to attack any infection that comes to your body, it could be any COVID patient who passes by near you. You may come in contact with so many, it's very difficult to actually say who has the infection and who doesn't have the infection. So your body tries to fight it out to the maximum possible extent. But when the WBC does not get the supportive edge of vitamin C cells because it is depleted due to a poor intake, it's not able to perform all the functions which it was supposed to do. The T cell function, the functions of interferon and the functions of the lymphocytes in the body. So we are compromising continuously. Do you really want to do that? Do you really want your health to be compromised just because you did not take that extra lemon in your diet, or you did not find it important that vitamin C was the vital nutrient for your health? I'm sure none of us want to do that. Also, we have to keep in mind that this mineral is water soluble. So no matter if today I've taken 2000 units of this mineral, this vitamin, I still have excreted out the excess, and tomorrow again I start with the scratch. So I again need my required amount of vitamin C. So this is really important for all of us to understand that you have a daily requirement which has to be fulfilled on a day-on-day basis. Now you must be thinking, why not meet up with the diet? So let me show you a small example. If you had to meet your vitamin C requirements for the day, can you consume so many lemons? It's virtually impossible. And again, we do not really know that this lemon was stored in dry conditions, it was stored in refrigerator, the humidity was very high. What are the losses? We really don't know. And if we are cooking it, say in the form of a lemon rasam, or we make a lemon juice out of it and we store it in the refrigerator, there are storage losses. So you're not very sure of how much of the vitamin C you're getting. So are you ready to compromise your immunity and make it weakened immunity? The WBC lining gets compromised with the depleted vitamin C just because we missed somewhere the calculation of our nutrients correctly. Likewise, we also have lots of dietary sources, but the only challenge with vitamin C is it's very reactive. So the atmospheric oxygen, the storage conditions, the temperature in which it is stored, all these play an important role in oxidizing the vitamin and reducing the bioavailability of the vitamin. Having understood the vitamin C and all its benefits in the body, Now let's understand how to strengthen our weakened immunity. So we spoke about weakened immunity, we understood about WBC being attached with vitamin C. Let's now understand, if at all I have a weakened immunity and I come across somebody who has any infective problem like influenza or anything, what happens if I don't take vitamin C? So we've had patients who felt that no, my own immunity is going to help me fight the infection, and they really deteriorated. They were the ones whose lungs were affected because they are very prone to develop pneumonia, as the body's fighting capacity was not at that point of time supported by extra supplementation. So it's important that when you have phases in your body when the inflammatory markers are really high, and this is called as an inflammatory storm. Here, if you have a required amount of say X grams or milligrams, you may have to go many folds to arrest that particular condition. So patients who were admitted with us, we have even gone up to say 4 tablets or 5 tablets of vitamin C for them, because we didn't want their inflammatory markers to supersede the infection and get into the lung and worsen the pneumonia. So these are safe to that extent. You may end up giving even 4 to 5 times more than what is recommended. Since this is water soluble, it does not really make a lot of damage. Rather, the benefits outweigh the damages. So it's important to rightly intervene at the right time with the right kind of supplement. Now you may be worrying which is the right kind of supplement. You have a lot of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is the chemical name for vitamin C. Now there are lots and lots of supplements, and thanks to COVID, everybody in the household now knows lots of brand names. People may want to make a compromise on the cost and buy a cheaper product. Now when we pick up a product which may show that it has 400 or 500 milligrams of the vitamin C or ascorbic acid, it may not have the right efficacy. Now when we say efficacy, it means the right mode of action into the body to arrest the problem of arresting the inflammatory markers. This is very important because ascorbic acid here may just be a filled molecule in the tablet using cornstarch. And if we thinking that this low cost tablet is going to give us the same benefit as a trusted brand, we are mistaken. And we are not really getting the optimal outcome giving 4 or 5 tablets, because we are just administering cornstarch with a minimal dose of ascorbic acid. So we as educated consumers need to understand what is the benefit of the right molecule in the right efficacy coming from a trusted brand. Though it may come at a little price, because quality comes at a price, so we should not really compromise on good quality products just because they are few rupees here and there in their cost on a daily dose, because the benefit is humongous that you get when you pick up the right kind of brand and right kind of dosage for your patients and loved ones. Now we had quite a few patients who developed acidity. They have this notion that anything which is sour can cause acidity. So it's important that we understand that yes, food which is acidic in nature can cause acidity. Like if you get up and you drink 3 glasses of orange juice, you may have some funny feeling in the stomach, and then you may have a little bit of diarrhea or nausea or unhealthy stomach. This can easily be managed when you're taking medications, because these are all enteric coated. These do not directly attack on the stomach acid. They are coated, they slowly release the vital nutrient from them, and that is correctly absorbed into the body. So here in such conditions, we may not be fully able to get the justice done from loading them with lot of food. A patient may want to drink juice throughout the day, but then what happens when you're giving so much of fluid, so much of juice, his gastric osmolarity is not able to take it, and they land up in diarrhea, and we lose one more day of good health building up, and then the person deteriorates. So do not make those mistakes. Timely intervene to build up the weakened immunity of all your loved ones. Ensure that when an infection has set in, you are able to give the right amount of nutrition. It would mean maybe 2, 3 or even 4, 5 tablets of vitamin C if it is 400 to 500 milligrams in the dosage. And the right kind of brand is very important, so that you're not getting fooled around by just using cornstarch with in the name of ascorbic acid paying 2, 3, 5 rupees lesser for a tablet, because health definitely requires the right intervention at the right time. If not done, we've seen cases who just refuse to take their vitamin C, assuming that it's causing acidity in them. They landed up in the ICU. We had to really put them on ventilator, and one day's cost was nearly 35,000 of a ventilator, vis-a-vis a 10-15 rupees difference from a tablet, which if timely had intervened would not have caused so much of emotional, physical and financial trauma to the family. So it's important for us to understand that timely intervention in the right dosage from the right kind of product that you pick up, no matter it comes at a little premium price, but you're getting the right deliverables that you are looking in for to fight the inflammatory markers. However, saying that, this does not really dilute the total effect of healthy eating. So we take our supplements in the optimal amount needed, eat healthy, eat small and frequent meals, focus on your proteins throughout the day, ensure that you are keeping yourself well hydrated, you're sleeping well, following hand hygiene. We have the simple principle of SMS, that is social distancing, masking ourselves and sanitizing. So this is going to be the mantra for another 4-5 years till we completely get rid of the infection. So we need to follow all these. In addition to that, strengthen our weakened immunity. Also make sure that the holistic nutrition is taken care of. So in this we talk about good sleep, building up our innate immunity, ensuring we are well hydrated so that we don't accumulate a lot of toxins in the body, and if at all anybody has precipitated any infection, be it influenza or anything, the right diagnostic at the same time along with the good supplementation in the right dosage is what is needed, rather than ignoring it and postponing it, because at that point of the inflammatory storm, when your body is trying to fight it out, you really cannot attend it on a couple of hours later. That makes a lot of damage to the body. There are certain disease conditions where vitamin C has shown a lot of benefit. We've had patients who were cancer survivors who were undergoing renal replacement therapies like dialysis. There were patients who were diabetics and the COVID had worsened their conditions. Because in COVID you are dependent on a lot of antiviral medications, you're dependent on heavy doses of steroids. So all the other parameters may go haywire, like your blood sugars, your blood pressures, your coagulation in the body. And as it is, there is so much of inflammation which is happening. So if we can bring down the free radical load by rightly intervening, it really makes a lot of difference. Now, I had COVID around maybe 8-9 months back, but I was able to bounce back just by home quarantine. I'm not trying to boast it to you, but what I'm trying to say is, seeing so many sick patients, we really don't want to add to the load of the healthcare system. So it's important that we take responsibility of our own health. We take the supplements right from March 2020 till date. Every single day these micronutrients have been a part of my food habits, and it's important that we supplement, because we all want to eat healthy, but not everything comes from the diet. We remembered about the 6 lemons that we had to consume, which becomes very difficult on a day-to-day basis. So it's very, very important that we make an important outline of what all medications or nutritional supplements that we are supposed to take, which is like food for us, and we take it so that we do not have the weakened immunity, and no matter what infection comes in, we are in the best of our health to arrest that infection. And we want our interferon levels to be really high to ingest all those infected cells. We want our T cell memory cells to be really in good health so that they pick up the infection fast and fight it out. We don't want a problem of lymphopenia. Most of our patients come with very low lymphocyte counts, which means that the body is trying to fight it out, but your nutrition or your immunity status is not allowing them, and slowly, gradually, there is a decrease in the lymphocytes. So what happens is, your frontline soldiers are getting attacked, they are decreasing in their number, and you're not able to provide more workforce. So what happens? Then you get defeated. We don't want to get defeated to such problems which can easily be handled by good nutrition and great health. So it's very important that you focus on your immunity, focus on a very good healthy lifestyle, sleep well, keep yourself well hydrated, stress free, Do your physical activity to maintain the right kind of energy levels in your body and make these vitamins and minerals a part of your lifestyle. Having understood the weakened immunity, now let's understand what happens when we take a higher dose supplement of vitamin C. So, first important thing is the right selection of the supplement. We want a supplement which has sustained release of the vitamin. When we say slow and sustained release of the vitamin, it does not rapidly disseminate in the gut and causes a leaky gut. So the moment the molecule unfolds, it gets into your gut, it slowly gets absorbed. All of it is not excreted out completely from the system. It has a slow absorption mechanism and it slowly strengthens your T cells, your lymphocytes, and strengthens the interferon for us to fight the infection in a slow and sustained fashion. These kind of medications or supplementations have a very important role because you're really getting 100% of the extended dose that you've taken. This kind of supplement of vitamin C, which has a sustained slow release and slow absorption mechanism, will ensure 100% delivery of the extra dosage that you've taken, which is required to arrest the inflammatory storm.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for sharing all the important aspects of weakened immunity, higher dosage of vitamin C and much more. I would also like to reiterate that our Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus is loaded with a lot of goodness. Like, our Vitamin C Cherry Plus is made with a mixture of natural acerola cherry extract and purified ascorbic acid. Acerola cherries are one of nature's most concentrated sources of vitamin C, cultivated in a certified organic farm in Brazil. Provides all-day immunity support for people with a weakened immunity and is built with extended release mechanism. So enjoy the benefits of our Nutralite Vitamin C Cherry Plus as it comes in a super duper unbelievable price as well. Thank you.